Yeah, so welcome to the Kitchen Divas Con Show. I mean, this is just for people who cannot do a dessert last minute when people come over. So here's a sponge cake, Victoria sponge to be precise, that I bought earlier. And then on it, I'm going to use cream that I did not whip myself, strawberries that I did cut myself, some raspberries, some custard. Okay, I bought the custard, okay? And some jam from Willow Farm. Yes, something original after all. Now, let me see if I can do this without breaking it. Okay. Now, I'm going to lift that, hopefully without breaking it. Success! Help! Plate! Help! Plate! Help! Help! It actually does help if you have a plate at hand or a Pedro at hand. Thank you, Pedro. Thank you, Pedro. Oh, there you go. Now, I have lots of yummy cream here. You can also use more Cornish dairy cream, or you can cheat like me. Now, to this, I'm going to add a little custard. Now, this is what makes it so authentic because the combination is so weird. No, I'm kidding. You can just put cream instead, okay? I do like custard. I think it sogs up everything, so hence the custard. Oopsie. Now, I'm going to plonk some of these in there because raspberries give it a little bit of tartness. Nothing to do with me, I can assure you. Nothing tart about me. Or tarty about me, for that matter. Pedro, may I have my other half, please? And I don't mean my husband. Thank you. And, oh, here we go again. Ugh. Okay. There is your other half of your dessert. Now's where we make it a little more interesting. I bung all that on the top, push all that in so it looks real, and preferably use a knife. And there you go. Now, there you go. Now I'm going to make this look a little bit cleaner when I transfer it, okay? So I like all this creamy stuff. I don't really eat a lot of creamy stuff, but I do like to make it look nice. Now I'm going to put some Willow Farm jam from the plums on the tree, which is quite nice. I do make my own jams every year, and we sell them for a charity. I guess this year there are enough charities to have to make lots and lots of jam for, because the whole world's gone mad. Now, I think this way or that way. Okay, let's go this way. Strawberries, cherries, and an angel's kiss in spring. There, you see? Isn't that looking pretty? It is looking pretty. Let's hope it tastes nice, eh? If it doesn't, I didn't do this recipe. And I'm not going to win any Oscars for it anyway, so. They don't do a cookery Oscar, do they? Oh, for fake recipes, I mean. My fake recipe. Wait till I plate it up. You want some. Now here we have it. Now real chefs would have made this themselves, and they would have actually have a cake stand, and they would also have a cake cutter. But as you can see, I can never find what I want. I do have a cake stand and a cake cutter, but it only comes out at Christmas time when I know people are going to see what I'm doing. So here we have my cake. Please don't fall. There you go. Oh, you are so pretty. And here is my husband.